Before you trust health advice on the internet, just ask one question. Who is really behind the information? Welcome to the Mindhunters. This is a science-led health and education channel, managed by a qualified professional with a master's degree specializing in human and molecular physiology. Here, every video is built on real research, not guesses, not trends, not shortcuts. All information you see is carefully compiled from verified scientific studies, medical literature, and expert-level sources to make sure what you learn is accurate, responsible, and useful. Our goal is simple: to educate, not to mislead; to explain, not to exaggerate. Remember that we do not offer medical treatment or diagnosis. What you get here is a nature-based health education that helps you understand how the human body truly works, so you can make better informed health decisions. We recommend speaking with a qualified healthcare professional before changing any medication, diet, or treatment plan. Every image and video you see on our channel is used under valid professional licenses from InVideo and trusted stock platforms. And every single script is written independently, with original research behind it. No copied content, no shortcuts. Just high-quality education you can trust. If you value facts over fads, science over stories, and clarity over confusion, you are in the right place. So subscribe to the Mindhunters, because real health begins with real understanding. Thanks for watching.